Hi everyone, this is Vic once again. I hope you enjoyed my previous lesson on quarter notes. In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you the eighth notes. So stay tuned. Right, welcome back. In my last lesson, I spoke about the quarter notes and common time signature and or rather 4/4 time signature. In this lesson, we're going to be still using the common time signature, all right, which is also the 4/4 time signature. So in this lesson, we will be learning eighth notes, right? So which means we're going to be hitting 8 times. So, but how are we going to keep track of these 8 hits? We can't be counting as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But instead, there's a way to count, which is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So N for Norway. So we count as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, let's look at the chart. The chart shows you a part written for the snare drum on a drum kit. All right, it's on the third space from the bottom up. Now, there are 8 hits in total. Let's try that now. Great. Now, let's try the same method on the hi-hat. So we're going to use the right hand and the right stick, right? Or rather, we're going to hit the hi-hat 8 times. Let's try that now. Great. One job done. Next step, we're going to add in the bass drum or the kick drum. If you look at the chart, you can see the bass drum is on the first space, right? And it's going to be hit every quarterly while the hi-hat is playing the 8th note. Let's try that now. Next, I always call this the tricky part or the trickier part, where you will have to insert the snare drum, all right, on the second and fourth beat, right? So while the hi-hat and kick drum patterns are going on, we're going to slot in the snare drum hit on the 2 and 4. Let's try that now. Great. We played that at a tempo of 60 BPM, 60 beats per minute. Now, we're going to try the same pattern at 80 BPM, 80 beats per minute. Let's try that. Fantastic. If you're comfortable, we're going to do it at 100 BPM, so 100 beats per minute. Let's try that now. Fantastic. Okay, this where the interesting part comes in. we're going to add fills, F-I-L-L-S, fills. Fills happen usually on the fourth bar or the eighth bar, right? But we'll move on to that later. What we're going to achieve now is simple. We're going to play 3 bars of groove, right? Kick, snare, hi-hat. And the fourth bar, we're going to have a fill, which is going to be incorporating the eighth notes on the snare drum, purely snare drum. All right, let's try that now. Getting comfortable, right? Great. Now we're going to try another 4 bars, but this time we're going to attempt to make the fill more colorful, I would call it. We're going to use the snare drum, the first tom, second tom, and the floor tom. Let's try that now. Great, getting comfortable, right? Fantastic. So what we're going to achieve now is we're going to play 8 bars, all right? And every 4 bars, there's going to be a fill, all right? First fill is going to be on the snare drum, purely on the snare drum. Second fill is going to be throughout the entire drum kit, or rather on the snare, first tom, second tom, and floor tom, just like how we did it earlier. Let's try that now. Great, everyone. Thank you once again for watching this video on eighth note. And if you have not watched the video about quarter notes, please do so. And if you like my videos and my tutorials, please kindly subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please kindly leave them down on the comments below, and I will address them as soon as possible. Till then, stay healthy, keep grooving. Goodbye.